All right, what's the next one?
Oh, this one is for Mo and for Will.
Okay.
And I actually like this one even more. Shout out, Sean. The only thing you see here in this post, you see the face of a dog, and then you see the caption, the big one wants it, but the small one needs it. That's all you see, all right?
I'm already
and there's
excited.
a dog with his eyes looking at the owner. Go ahead and play it. Mo, we need your attention here.
Chester, look at me.
Holy, this dog is really jazzed.
Give me a replay.
With like the drum and bass.
Give me a replay on this. The big dog is like, yeah, I'll take it. I'm excited.
Oh my God.
The other one, it's so intense. The fact that they might get the food. The little one. There's two dogs. Shout out Grant. So the first he presents it to the big dog, then he pans to the left to showcase another smaller dog.
And this dog is just like...
Who licks his lip and starts just freaking out, vibrating.
He's like trying to keep the devil within.
At the possibility of getting that. I don't know what the food is. Is it a leftover burger or something? It looks like.
I don't think it matters for dogs, man. Just like give it to me.
This guy reminded me of Otis.
Yeah.
Just
having a seizure.
I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need that.
Oh my God.
What are you eating over there? The big one wants it, but the small one needs it.
That's very funny.
Now the big one, you look at the big one, and dog's relationship with food is crazy. The big one's like, yeah, it's pretty good. It's like, yeah. Smells. He starts putting his nose a little bit. This one, it's like the last meal it'll ever eat. It is just so important.
With the music too.
Oh my goodness gracious. It's the way licking the tongue comes out at the same time. It's like, oh my God, I'm going to need it. Yeah, I think it's a burger too.